Top 8 Simple Morning Habits You Must Know to Stop Diabetes. Did you know that your morning habits could be the key to controlling diabetes? It's true. What you do first thing in the morning can either support or sabotage your blood sugar for the entire day. Stick around because today we're diving into 8 simple morning habits that might just stop diabetes in its tracks. Now, managing diabetes isn't only about what you eat or how much you exercise. It starts with your morning routine. Believe it or not, those first couple of hours after you wake up can significantly affect how your blood sugar behaves throughout the rest of the day. In this video, we'll break down the top 8 morning habits you need to know to take control of your diabetes. And the best part is that these habits are simple, easy to follow, and can make a real difference in your health. Habit number 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Setting your alarm for a consistent time, even on weekends, plays a surprisingly big role in managing blood sugar and supporting overall health. You see, our bodies run on a natural rhythm called the circadian rhythm, which regulates vital processes like hormone release, digestion, and metabolism. All of these processes affect how your body handles sugar. By waking up at a consistent hour, you help your body align with its internal clock, known as its circadian rhythm, making it more effective at regulating glucose tolerance throughout the day. Research even shows that our bodies handle glucose better in the morning than at night. If you eat the same meal at different times of day, you could see bigger blood sugar spikes in the evening. Waking up at a fixed time also helps you stick to a healthy breakfast routine, an essential step for blood sugar control. Skipping breakfast or eating too late can throw your glucose balance off and possibly lead to unwanted weight gain. So consistency is key. Aim to wake up at the same hour every day to support your body's natural rhythms, stabilize insulin sensitivity, and start off on the right foot for the rest of the day. Habit number 2. Test your blood sugar. Checking your blood sugar first thing in the morning is crucial for effective diabetes management. This easy habit can deeply influence how you handle the condition throughout the day. By testing right when you wake up, you get a baseline reading that shows where your glucose stands before any food or activity comes into play. It's incredibly useful, as it helps you track daily fluctuations and make informed decisions about meals, medication, and exercise. Additionally, testing first thing can flag any irregular patterns, like consistently high morning readings, which might suggest you need to adjust insulin dosages or tweak your nighttime routine. If blood sugar is unexpectedly high or low, you can address it quickly, maybe have a small snack or recheck medication, avoiding bigger problems later. Regular morning testing ensures you're always aware of your glucose trends, making it simpler to prevent complications over time. Just remember to wash your hands before testing for accurate results, use fresh strips, and record your numbers so you can share any patterns with your healthcare provider if needed. Habit number 3. Eat a healthy breakfast. Having a balanced breakfast can be one of the best things you do for stable blood sugar throughout the day. Your morning meal should feature a mix of carbs, healthy fats, and protein, helping to avoid extreme spikes or drops in glucose levels. Here's why it's important. Foods high in protein and fiber, like oatmeal with nuts and berries or a veggie omelet. Slow digestion, leading to a steady release of glucose into your bloodstream. That helps keep blood sugar from jumping up too quickly and then crashing later. In contrast, refined carbohydrates like sugary cereals or pastries can cause rapid spikes, leaving you sluggish and prone to overeating. By fueling up on something like oatmeal, you get the fiber that moderates glucose absorption, while nuts or seeds add healthy fats and protein to keep you satisfied for longer. A smoothie made with Greek yogurt and spinach could also work wonders because it contains both protein and essential vitamins. The goal is to pick whole foods that deliver long-lasting energy and support balanced blood sugar. That way, you're off to a great start, without the roller coaster of sugar highs and lows. If you've been enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe for even more content on how to manage diabetes with everyday foods. Habit number 4. Take your medication. If you're on insulin or oral medications for diabetes, sticking to the prescribed schedule is absolutely vital. Consistency ensures your medication is working as intended to maintain stable blood sugar throughout the day. When you take your meds at different times or skip doses, it can disrupt the balance of glucose in your bloodstream, causing levels to run too high or too low. both of which increase the risk of short and long-term complications. Taking medication at the same time each morning can help align it with your body's natural cycles, making it far more effective. If you have trouble remembering, consider setting an alarm or tying it to another activity, like breakfast. This reduces the mental load and keeps you on track. And if you notice any side effects or issues with your prescription, talk to your healthcare provider sooner rather than later. They might adjust your dosage or switch you to a different medication. But overall, consistent medication use is key to avoiding unnecessary blood sugar swings and keeping complications at bay. Habit number 5. Stay hydrated. Hydration might seem like a small thing, but it's surprisingly influential for people with diabetes. When you wake up, your body has gone hours without water, which can lead to mild dehydration. This dehydration can make blood sugar more concentrated, potentially causing spikes. By starting your day with a glass or two of water, you help kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and make it easier for your body to handle glucose. Proper hydration also eases the strain on your kidneys, which work overtime to filter your blood. When you don't drink enough, your kidneys may retain more sodium and water, further complicating blood sugar management. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day, though individual needs vary based on activity level and climate. Building a habit of drinking water first thing in the morning can help you reduce the urge to sip on sugary drinks, setting you up for better choices all day long. Plus, you'll feel more alert and energized, cutting down on fatigue that can lead to poor dietary decisions. Habit number 6. Exercise. Regular exercise is crucial for managing diabetes, and fitting it into your morning routine offers tangible benefits for blood sugar control. Physical activity helps your muscles use glucose more efficiently, reducing overall sugar levels in your bloodstream and boosting insulin sensitivity. If you can exercise within an hour of waking up, you'll give your metabolism a morning jumpstart, which can help keep glucose levels more stable throughout the day. Consistency is key, so shoot for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each morning. Whether it's a brisk walk, cycling, yoga, or even dancing, you'll see benefits beyond just blood sugar. Your energy increases, your mood improves, and it becomes easier to maintain or lose weight, all crucial factors in keeping diabetes in check. If you're on medication, it's important to check your blood sugar before exercising to avoid hypoglycemia if levels are too low or avoid pushing them higher if levels are too high. After your workout, recheck to confirm you're staying within a safe range. Sticking to a morning exercise routine can simplify your entire day, not only keeping your glucose in line, but also helping you feel healthier all around. Habit number 7. Plan your day. Another powerful approach to managing diabetes is planning out your day each morning. A simple to-do list can work wonders. When you outline your meals, snacks, exercise, and appointments, you ensure you're staying aligned with your diabetes management goals. This means figuring out what balanced, nutrient-dense foods you'll eat and when, which helps avoid last-minute junk food cravings. Scheduling your physical activity is also simpler if you write it down in advance. If you have your brisk walk or yoga session planned, you're more likely to follow through. Planning is equally helpful for monitoring your blood sugar. Decide exactly when you'll do fingerstick tests so you won't forget or push them off. If you're on medication, a planned day can keep your medication schedule consistent. Setting an alarm for the same time every morning and a reminder for meds helps maintain predictable blood sugar levels. Overall, having a structured day reduces stress, which in turn can affect your blood sugar since cortisol spikes can lead to glucose spikes. The more organized your routine, the fewer surprises that can derail your progress. So, by starting your day with a little planning, you're actively preventing issues that might surface later. Habit number 8. Stay consistent. Finally, the best morning habit for anyone managing diabetes is simply staying consistent. Whether it's waking up at the same time, exercising first thing, or taking your medication, regularity is the glue that holds all these habits together and makes them effective. By keeping your sleep schedule the same, even on weekends, you help regulate your internal clock, which improves insulin sensitivity and stabilizes blood sugar. Consistency applies to everything else too. Having your healthy breakfast every morning, taking medication at a set time, and remembering to stay hydrated can all become second nature if you repeat them daily. The more you stick to these habits, the easier it is for your body to predict and handle glucose fluctuations. This steadiness helps reduce the risk of unexpected highs or lows, making diabetes management far simpler. Ultimately, creating a morning routine that feels right for you. One that involves waking up on schedule, testing your blood sugar, fueling up on a balanced breakfast, staying hydrated, exercising, planning your day, and taking medication as prescribed can go a long way in controlling diabetes over the long haul. And here's a bonus tip for you. Check out the link in the description to watch a short free presentation about a natural way that can help lower your blood sugar. Incorporating these 8 simple morning habits into your daily life can have a huge impact on how well you manage diabetes and your overall health. By waking up consistently, checking your blood sugar, eating a nourishing breakfast, staying hydrated, exercising, planning your day, following your medication regimen, and maintaining consistency, you give yourself the best possible chance of keeping blood sugar under control. It's all about small, consistent actions that create momentum and lead to improved well-being over time. Managing diabetes does not have to be complicated. It's really about developing healthy routines that work for you and sticking with them. Which habits do you already practice and which ones caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below because I'd love to hear how you manage your mornings and your diabetes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips on living a healthy life and beating diabetes. And check out the videos in the description for even more advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to starting each day off strong.